Can you believe that this video was created without even having a home, just by using your phone, and for free? And in this video, we'll be showing you how you can create videos just like these and make thousands of dollars each month on TikTok rewards program and on YouTube. We need prompt descriptions to create our pictures, so go on ChatGPT and type "write prompt descriptions of our luxury home." And here's what ChatGPT wrote for us, and you can always tell them to write more. Now choose the luxury description that you like. We chose house number 6 and we typed "write a more detailed prompt description of inside of the house for number 6. And we also wrote all of the rooms inside of the house. And you can also tell ChatGPT to write a list of all of the rooms inside of a house. And now we're going to tell ChatGPT to write our video script, and we're going to type "write the reasons why someone should want this house. Start with why this should be your dream home." Or you can choose any other hook that you like, and this is so you can catch your viewers' attention. And here's our video script. Now go on Leonardo AI and click on create new image, and we're going to type European inspired mansion, and then click on generate. And here's our picture. And now we're going to show you how you can create this picture into a video with just one button. Click on image to motion and choose the motion strength that you want. We kept it at 5, and then click on generate. And to create new pictures and videos for your luxury home, all you need to do is copy the prompt descriptions from ChatGPT and paste it in Leonardo AI. And keep in mind that Leonardo AI gives you 150 free tokens that you can use to create videos and pictures. And this is how our video looks. Now go on CapCut and put all of the pictures and videos that you created on Leonardo AI, and start adding transitions between the pictures and videos. And this is so it can give you a little bit of movement in your video and people keep watching. Now copy your video script from ChatGPT, then click on text and add text and paste it on CapCut. Then click on text to speech and click on the voice that you want. We're going to choose Jessie. And now we're going to do the same exact steps for the rest of our video script. Now we're going to delete all of the text that we created, and this is because we're going to create our auto captions. And now click on auto captions and click on the captions that you like. We chose the yellow with the black outline. And then we're going to just move our text closer to the middle and make sure all of our text has the correct spelling. And once you finish and want to download your video, click on the button on the upper right hand corner, and then you have your video. And if you want to know how to create luxury style car videos without having a car for free using your phone to make thousands of dollars each month on TikTok and YouTube, make sure you watch the video in the description box below. And thanks for watching!